Welcome to the channel. Today, let's say, real test of capacity of this small coolmate 65 liter in theory fridge. Somebody asked me to make a real test, not just talking about fridge, but try to fit something inside this fridge. So let's try it. Just for to remind, this fridge has two options. We can switch for refrigerating or with freezing. It means it should be working in a freezer with freezer, but take a look for size and quality of this flap and etc. I left it on fridge, so it means no freezer. This is standard compartment. To tell the truth, I already taken out this shelf from here because I cannot fit, let's say, any bottle with milk. So, or if I can fit here, but can, like, I don't like it, but what you can do. So of course we have some options. We can take it out or leave it. Yes, same with this, but no more. Okay, so let's try to how much we can fit. So like I said, to fit the bottle of milk I have to remove shelf. Other way it should be a smaller bottle. This means half of that, so it can fit here, but I'm afraid so it can fall out and spill the milk. So, but right now, to tell the truth, we have no shelf, so it's not good, to tell the truth. I don't like it, but what you can do if you have to keep the drink milk? No, if you need milk for coffee. Okay, I saw a few fridges where was a kind of flap. It was better, but in this case is not good. Of course, it's not stupid idea, because even if something are spilled, it will be left inside this compartment. To tell you to feed the eggs, I know so people don't keeping eggs inside the fridge, but I do. I don't like it. To tell the truth, without this, so if I left here, it fall out. So stupid, really stupid. So let's use this compartment. So maybe this also here. Strange light. Let's say 1 tomato. If you need more, you can at least fit 6. One lemon. Okay, something. And to tell the truth, when I remove this shelf, I losing this space, because if I fit something here during drive, it will be here, it's fall out in the bottom, but no other option. So to tell the truth, I need to, maybe for future I just chop it out, this, and make kind of flap, because right now I don't like it, because right now wherever I fit here it will fall out. So without this shelf is maybe not useless, but is definitely not good. I think I will chop these ribs in a minute. Quick modification, I just take the wire cutter and tink, cut out, use first paint I have under my hand to protect the steel. I don't know what I do next, but at least I can keep the milk here. Okay, that's the most complicated part, fitting this inside. Because this is a bit wrong place for this fridge. You know, if I take it out, I should take it in. Perfect. So, and right now, okay, we have to take out this bottle of milk every time we wanna pull out the drawer, but at least we can use this shelf. So, you know, from one side point of view, 65 liters looks quite a lot, but from the second point of view it's not much. Right now we can fit the, I don't know, something more. Let's say here. And this is what I'm afraid. It's too tight to fit the standard. Maybe not. Okay, I can fit it, but it's not good. Can be a bit higher, will be better. So if I wanna take the jam, who keeps the jam inside the fridge? Me. Summary. This is in theory 65 liters. I don't count in reality, but in theory, and it's not too big. So how looks fridge with 44 liters? It's hard to imagine. But if you know, two like a big like a negatives, this is no space for something bigger. Yeah. No space for something bigger, and for me this trays can be 1 centimeter wider. Like I said earlier, it's quite silent. but it's not such a silent like the best model of domestic fridges. But what you hear is not compressor, you hear the vent, to tell the truth. Compressor sometimes you can feel because of some vibration. Some, I don't know, but it's a kind of vibration from the fridge. Small but can be annoying. About like electric parameters and etc. If anybody are interested, it was in previous video. So, thank you for watching such a short review plus the modification, and see you next time.